Good morning to all of you. Myself Gayatri Deshmukh, working as lab technician in Institute of Pharmacy and Research, Badnera, Amravati. Today I will give you demonstration on analytical balance. First we see what is analytical balance. Analytical balance is a class of balance designed to measure small mass in sub-milligram range. Let us now see the general information about this instrument. This analytical balance made by Contact Instrument Limited. Model number is CAH223. Capacity is 220 gram and sensitivity is 0.0001 gram. Now we discuss about its principle. This analytical balance use electromagnetic force compensation technique to measure precisely the weight of object. Now let us familiar with its parts. This is glass enclosure for opening and closing door. This is circular pan where we load our sample. This is control panel. You can see many keys are available here. This is tare key to tare or zero the balance. This is on or off key to display the balance display on or off. This is setup key for setting various parameters. There are 25 parameters available in this machine. So first we see setup function. For setup function, we have first switch on the instrument by plugging adapter into the socket and keeping the setup button pressed until the display show setup. You can see display show setup. We can use up and down key to change the parameter. I have already set some parameters such as serial number, date, auto zero, storage of memory in weight. I will show you how to set a storage of memory in weight. First we see for this option we have to set ACCU function is on. Press the tare to quit. Then we take 5 weights. Press the tare button to zero the balance. And wait until the stable. First sample is 0.009 gram. Second is 0.138 gram. I will take third sample. It is 2.083. We can store this weight by pressing enter. Immediately press up key, display show store. Press enter key to save the weight. Then we take another weight. Press enter key. Immediately press up key. The display show store. Press enter key to save the weight. We can recalling it from the memory. Our weight is stored in memory or not. For this, we have to press enter key. Immediately press up key and down key. Number 1 sample is 2.081. Number 2 sample is 0.982. Number 3 total is display. Let's see about this calibration. calibration, we ensure that this mercury is in the middle of this ring. If not, adjust it with the help of this screw. You see that the mercury is in middle of this ring. Keeping the tare button and keep the standard weight 100 gram on the pen. Wait until stable. Press F key. Display show calibration done. This is all about calibration of analytical balance. This analytical balance store the weight up to 100 and print up to 100 weights. We will see the working of analytical balance. Today I will use weight transfer method for weighing. For this I have used weighing bottle. In this we load a bulk amount of powder. First we measure it. First press the tare key to zero the balance. Wait until the stable count. It is 35.214. Now I need 2 gram for my preparation. So I take some powder from weighing bottle to my container. Press the tare button to zero the balance and again check the weight of weighing bottle. It is 33.176. We calculate weight required is equal to initial weight minus final weight. Initial weight is 35.214 gram and final weight is 33.176 gram. So the calculate weight required is 2.038 gram. In this way we can measure or weight the sample. From this way, this analytical balance has many other applications. It can calculate the density, it can calculate or display the textile count, it can calculate the percentage weight. Also it can contain many weighing units such as carat, pound, gram. So we can weigh gram, we can analytical balance, we can calculate the gold, silver and diamond also. This is all about analytical balance. Thank you.